So we're going to make some really basic Big Mac tacos. So I've got a 500 gram pack of minced beef, and I'm going to make about 8 portions out of each pack, around 62 grams to be precise. So the next thing we're going to do is place these onto the tortillas. Right, so what you want to do is place that there, and you just press this out. You want to try and get this as flat as possible. If you've got anything flat at home, like a flat plate or anything like that. So now that they're all done, I'm just going to spray a little bit of spray oil into the pan. You want that to be a medium to high heat. So when you wait for that to heat up, so you just want to get these and place them face side down. You can hear that sizzle. And you just want to leave that and just wait till you get a nice sear onto the meat. I'm just going to check underneath this. So that's got a nice sear on it so far. Give you a sneak peek. Just going to flip that now. I'm going to turn it down to a low heat now. And then we're just going to add the cheese on top. Now that's ready, I'm just going to put this onto the plate. Just going to put some lettuce that I chopped earlier, gherkins, and then some burger sauce. And that's what I'm looking for.
Eat it,
yeah. And eat it. Yeah, a little bit messy.